Karnavati University brings to you the Karnavati Centre for Experiential and Immersive Learning, KCEIL, the first of its kind in India, a platform from where curiosity leaps into a new terrain of first-hand practical experiences and knowledge beyond the conventional. KCEIL offers a value-packed, alt-native approach, a fresh and alternative ecosystem of learning with traditional methods of education. The academic term is led by an incredible Dubai International Immersion program where the young minds venture into the global circuit through institutional collaborations, tours and visits, international cultural festivals, and impactful workshops and deliberations with industry experts in Dubai over a fortnight. KCEIL parallelly also offers an ambitious and holistic India immersion program and a connected rural immersion program and an adventure experiential learning module, presenting an unprecedented opportunity to the students to visit a chain of cultural, sensory, and ethnic powerhouses in India. The participants color their canvas of perceptions about India with their explorations, observations, interactions, and experiences, and with every passing module, the vibrancy and experience only increases. The Centre follows its flagship immersion programs with a robust on-campus local and global community building exercise and activities through its spirited Student Governing Council and Alumni Association. Collectively, they conjure the magic of path-breaking and disruptive global and national events such as the Ahmedabad Design Week, Youth Parliament of India, Chhatra Niti Ayog, Karnavati Literature and Film Festival, and Out of Syllabus, to name a few. KCEIL's approach is based on the engagement of a combination of our 5 senses for the best and an unforgettable learning experience. And hence, the program ranges across diverse intensities and practices to give the participants a vibrant mix of assorted observation and understanding. In this ever-evolving world of ours, learning through observation and experience leads to understanding the world around us in the best possible manner. And Karnavati Centre for Experiential and Immersive Learning is the perfect launchpad to help you rise above everyone else.